very last thing we're going to do here, and probably should have done this before, but it's okay. I just wanted, it might be a good way to finish this off. X squared equals negative 3. What do you notice immediately? Okay. No, what do you notice immediately? X squared equals negative 3. Let's say x squared equals negative 4. Or x squared equals negative 15.
It's going to be hard to get a negative.
Yes. It will be hard to get a negative. In fact, it will be impossible to get a negative. That's the point. So x squared equals negative 4. What I say is this is not something that we can solve. There's no number times itself that yields a negative. That's the point. So see, algebra can help us in many ways, but we can't solve every single equation. Like we can't solve every problem in life. But most problems we can solve. And most problems we can solve in multiple ways. I've been Tony Robbins? No. This is but that's the point I wanted to make, was that algebra is a wonderful, beautiful thing, and it's been passed on for many thousands of years. I believe the Muslims came up with it in like probably in the 10th century or something like that. But it can't solve everything. And here's an example where we just can't. There's nothing we can use to solve that problem. All right, that's it. So what we learned today, we start off with variable. We learned what a term was. We learned what a coefficient within a term is. We learned what an expression is. We learned what an equation is. And then we learned how to solve equations. And we had to learn how to solve equations and also, inequalities. Then we learned how to solve equations using multiple methods like zero product property, distributive property. And then we also learned that Rick can't draw mountain lions. I mean, that's basically it. Okay.